Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to import eBay listings to your Shopify store. Now, usually what you will need to do is you will need to go on eBay and do all sorts of stuff, right, to start and import eBay listings to Shopify. But actually, with this video, you will actually learn how to import eBay listing in a very professional and easy way. So as you can see right here on your app store, you have professional importer for eBay. Now, as you can see, it has a free plan available and 30-day free trial as well. But as you can see, this is basically the plugin that allows you to import eBay listings and products into Shopify, right? So as you can see, you can access options to link eBay account, right? You can sync rules, you can import settings, and you can manage products inside the app, right? You can add a manage eBay account, which you would use to fetch the products, and you can manage eBay products in a list and find options to block manual import or even in bulk, right? So it works really well. You have import settings as well, which is great, right? And yeah, you can use this plugin. Just add the app, go to apps.shopify.com and then search for this in the search bar, and then you can add it right to your Shopify store. As you can see, this is all you can do on the within the free trial, and also with the paid trial. As you can see, it's $20 a month. You can manage up to 500 eBay items, and you can import free 5 eBay items. So that's pretty much it. 4.8 rating, which is really good. So if you want to check it out, check this out. It will save you some time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.